everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about website and why it is very important for you to have a website. So website is one of the best way to do marketing, and if you have a store, whether it can be t-shirt store, whether it can be physical goods store, if you have a website you can sell your products 24/7 online. It is the most important thing and it is the most beneficial part of having your own website. Suppose your shop is open at 10 a.m. and you are clocking out or closing your shop at 8 p.m. night, and after that if people want to buy something at 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. you cannot sell a single product because your shop is closed. And when if you have a website you can showcase your product in your online shop, and when your shop is online and you can easily open your online shop 24 hours. So if someone want to buy a t-shirt at 12 a.m. or night 1 a.m. they can easily buy from your online store. So this is one of the best reason for having a website. It helps us to sell more and get more profit. And another reason we should have a website, our website can go international or all over the world. Suppose you have a physical product shop in Las Vegas, but people who are living in Los Angeles cannot buy from your shop. But when you have your online store and if you do some marketing in all over the country, in New Jersey, New York, or Las Vegas, anywhere, people will know about it and they can easily order from your store, and maybe they can have their product in 1 or 2 business days. So you can sell your products all over the country if you have a website. And if you have a website you can also make it a brand. People around your area knows that you have your shop, but people outside your state in Virginia or Iceland or Canada don't know about your shop or your product, your expertise. But when you will promote it around the world, around the country, they will know that there is a shop in Las Vegas and they are offering their service and products around the world or around the country. They will go to your website, they will buy your product, add to cart, will pay online, and you will get your payment and they will get your product. So after few months or few hours your online store and your offline store will become a brand. Once your store become brand, you will get automatic sale every year, millions of $1 million sale, like Amazon, like eBay, like Best Buy. So having a website is very, very, very much important. Your website is talking according to your thought. When you will have a website, it will let people know that you are very professional. When you will have your own website, it will help people to judge or to know about your products, about your service. Whether you are selling shoes, t-shirts, whether you are selling dry foods, whether you are selling nutrition foods, anything, you should have a website so that it can become a brand and you will get huge profit online. So if you want to make a website in very cheap price, we are here to make your website in only one single day, and we are offering you 1 month free service to you. So we have our team, they are working hard and they will create responsive website for you, and this website will be mobile friendly so that people can easily browse through their mobile. So if you want to order us, you can easily WhatsApp us, you can easily send message to our page or our website. We have our link to our website in channel. You can easily contact with us. So thank you for today.